right, so Google dropped earnings last week, and we're going to talk about the stock and the stock chart and where it may go. Just a quick look at the earnings overall sum. Google shares slip after sales miss as advertising demand slows. From the Wall Street Journal, Google parent Alphabet posts drop in ad revenue amid slowdown. And here's just a note, just a side note. ChatGPT on track to surpass 100 million users faster than TikTok or Instagram, says UBS. Now, Google's is the king of the throne, right? But if anything is going to take it down, it could be ChatGPT. Hey, it's early. It's early. I'm just throwing it out there. Hey, before I get into this, can you subscribe? Can you do all of that to help the YouTube algorithm, as most YouTubers say? All right, let's get down to it. So here is the Google chart. I'm looking at the weekly. I got a couple of lines drawn. We have a uptrend and we have a downtrend. Let's look at what we got so far. So I got two lines drawn. I got the green line is the 9-period moving average, and the red line is the 20-period moving average. This is a weekly chart, so this is not a 9-day. It's a 9-period. So one way to trade, I talk about it a lot, is just when the fast line crosses the slow, you could buy right there, right? Great buying point. It stayed above the whole trend. You would have made lots and lots of money. Right here at the top of the trend. What a trend trading signal. I'm having problems with my mouse. Excuse me. There we go. Right across below the 20-period moving average. You could have got out right there, and it was a perfect signal for the top of the market, and you would have stayed out all the way until now, because the green, the 9, is still below the 20. So I just want to point that out as a simple trading method, right? It's still not time to get into Google, even though we had a nice move off of the low along with volume. So right now, let's look at what we have going on here. This is why this is in orange, a huge level of resistance. It tried to blow through last week. If I pull up the daily, you can see it a little better. It didn't make it. Big gap. And now maybe we possibly gap fill, as it was like a fake breakout. I'm going back to the weekly so we can see it a little clearly. You know, when you go to longer time frames, you get rid of the noise, and that's how I like to do these charts. All right, so we got the downtrend, right? We got the downtrend line. It did break above that. That's good news. We got volume. It did increase. As you see, it's above the average volume, right? That's good news. We got stochastic pointing upward, going up, split open. That's the way I like it. That's good news. So here's basically the channel, right? And I'm just going to go ahead and draw this up channel as well. And this was the channel. This is just some quick lines. They're not perfect, right? So it was traded in a channel going up. It's trading in a channel going down. We did break out of the channel, but we need to cross this area of resistance, and then that's when I can get bullish on Google. We didn't do it yet, but this is something to keep an eye on. I always say you want to buy low, you want to sell high. So if Google does, when it's down here, even though it's not going up, accumulate, right? You're buying low. If you believe in Google and you want to be on board for the next bull Google run, as it comes down, buy low. But I think this is where you can really get bullish. If it can prove and break above this area of resistance, then we know we're going higher. When that happens, we also probably will see a green cross over the red. This method has proved itself over the last 3 years. Cross, buy, cross, sell, no cross yet. So let's hold on and watch Google. But like I said, if you're bullish, you want to buy low, as it's down here, you can just accumulate. This is the accumulation zone, right? Don't go crazy. Just buy a little here, a little there, a little there. And then when it's up here, you're already in the game. All right, so hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate it. Check out the videos I already did on Apple, on Facebook, and on Amazon. This one is Google. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. This is Dre Trades. I'm out.